Alright, so welcome back again to the cabin. I thought I'd give you guys kind of a quick update of what's happening in this little shelter. That's not really a shelter since I don't have planks yet. I'd have to make some or then again go buy some, but since the price of wood is really high, I don't know how much that's going to be. So yeah, I still need planks to finish this for the workbench, the door, and the roof. So thanks you guys pretty much just for watching. I know that I've been getting a pretty decent subscriber increase lately, which is nice. The whole tree is leaking on me here. But yeah, so I appreciate you guys subscribing and liking and everything. Like I said, it really helps out a lot. Well, yeah, for a quick update, I missed a week of uploading, I think a few weeks ago for you guys, because I've been having some pretty bad issues with my PC. The computer that I use to upload, I pretty much lost my hard drive, so I lost all my other videos, all of my main info, I guess, all my videos, everything on that one hard drive. I lost it, so I couldn't upload for that week, so I had to get that fixed. Yeah, now it should be back on its feet. It seems to be going pretty well. I'm still kind of nervous when I'm editing or doing something like that because the program that I was using, that's what caused big crashes and stuff like that, so I just wasn't able to use my computer. But yeah, I'm trying to get back on my feet here, and hopefully everything's going to be okay. So for the cabin itself, well, as you can see today, it's raining quite a lot. Now it's quieting down, but still coming down a little bit. I don't know how it's going to affect the audio on the mic or anything, if you guys could hear it. But yeah, it's raining quite a lot. It's been raining a decent amount for, well, I guess for all this summer. It hasn't been a super dry summer, so the swamp hasn't gotten the chance to dry out, so I still have to walk to the cabin using a long route by the mountain. But yeah, it's been going pretty well. I'll get this done before winter. I at least want to get the planks here in the next couple weeks, hopefully, if possible. Like I said, all depends on the cost and stuff, and if I have time to make some, if it's too expensive to buy. But yeah, I'll be done before winter. Should be decent. At least the roof. It's really going to help out with the firewood. At least it's going to be dry. The door and the workbench is not really a huge concern of mine. So I'll try to, like I said, get planks as soon as possible. So yeah, I can't really do much today since of the rain and everything. So I thought I'd just bring you guys along and maybe do a little bit of work inside. Maybe, cook something up, start the fire, open the window. It's about 15 degrees today, so it's not super, mosquitoes, it's not super hot. It's actually pretty nice. But with the rain, it's actually pretty frisky. And it's supposed to drop to around 8 degrees tonight, so pretty cold. Freaking mosquitoes. Yeah, pretty cold. So I might start the fire and cook like a soup up or something. I know I might have something in the cooler inside. Yeah, I'll bring you guys along for that. And also the reason why I'm not using some lights, my electricity, I guess you call it, is just because I'm trying to save up on power just for the time I'm here. It's a little bit gloomy, so I don't know how much the batteries are charged. I don't have like a proper voltmeter or something to tell me how much juice is in the batteries. So for now, I'm using the oil lantern. So the video might be a little bit darker than usual, but what you guys are seeing is pretty much what I'm seeing. So yeah, only if I need a decent amount of light, I'll try to use my power. God. All right. Well, I think that brings this day to an end. It's around, I want to say 9 o'clock. Not sure what time it is. I need a clock in there. But yeah, it's 8:32. So it is pretty late. I had in mind a good soup for a snack. Turns out I had maple marshmallows, which was the first time I actually ever tasted them, and they are pretty good. Not really a fan of marshmallows in general. They are kind of weird. But I tried the maple one, and they are really good. Also, as I was making that, I had the doors open in the door and the window open. But you know, it's kind of always a thought in the back of your mind, because a lot of people ask me, you know, what about animal activity at the cabin and everything. And just to let you guys know, I put bird seeds out for the mostly chipmunks and squirrels. The activity level in the cabin has been pretty low, so I mean, I guess they're stocking up for winter. You see them just stuffing their cheeks. I get comments about chipmunk and stuff sometimes. I know some people enjoy it, so I'll try to include them in the video when I can. But for now, it's raining and not nice outside, so they're nowhere in sight. But I did put some food out for them, and you know, obviously the birds. But long story short, I will not be putting any more sunflower seeds out, because I got a comment, well, at least 4 or 5, on a video when I brought the little sunflower seed bag. It was about like a, I don't know, like a 2 or 3 pound bag, pretty small. I don't know what that was, but a pretty small bag. And I put in the barrel with the other sunflower seeds and such, and came back, I think it was around the week or 2 weeks after, and the barrel was thrown down the hill over there beside the little workshop. And I thought it was wind at first. No, there was severe storms here in Canada. I thought maybe it was the wind. My dad told me it's impossible. You know, the wind isn't going to blow down like that big of a barrel. Anyways, I looked. I have a trail cam, mosquitoes, pretty much right beside you guys right now, the camera, and there was a bear here. So he didn't touch anything, just absolutely, you know, ripped the cap off the barrel and ate only that one little bag of sunflower seeds. So you guys were right, bears like sunflower seeds. And there is also bears at the cabin, if people were wondering. So as I was making my marshmallows, I was with the windows open and stuff, I was wondering, you know, there could be a bear, especially on like a dark, gloomy night like this. There could be a bear. But yeah, I'll try to include some pictures if I find some. It wasn't a very big bear, maybe 100-something pounds. Kind of like your average, you know, large dog. Not huge, but still, mosquito. But still a threat. I don't want him to start going into the cabin. Just like right now, I have marshmallows. Like I have the gunky stuff all over my hands. I'm touching the camera, touching trees, touching my handle. If he comes back and he starts sniffing around, he could want to get into the cabin. Especially that I have my little cooler in there with the open pack of maple marshmallows, and they really, really smell very strong. So yeah, I'll try to keep that, you know, I guess the cooler sealed as much as I can, but I don't know, can't really stop nature. So yeah, pretty much I have good animal activity around here. Bears, moose, deers, chipmunks, raccoons, pretty much you name it, I have it. Yeah, not a very productive day at the cabin, but I still brought you guys along. I thought somebody might enjoy. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Helps out a whole bunch.